I think this is one of those star blaze sky thingies. Hello and welcome back to the channel, everybody. Hunter here, the model masochist, and today's project needs no introduction. Come on, this is the Klingon X-Bird from the 1970s. That was a big popular sci-fi show that went up against Trek Star and Buck Murdoch in the 22nd century. For all the sci-fi fans that I just absolutely triggered, you can jump into the comments and come at me, man. Because, come on, this is an X-Wing. This is a Star Wars X-Wing. Of course it's an X-Wing. We know what this is. And this I built, probably in the mid-1990s, I think. So we're looking at a 30-year-old X-Wing. It's certainly seen better days. It's really not as bad as it could be, probably. It's been sitting a while. Red 5 has not been active. And to be fair, through college, I moved around quite a bit, and this was one of the few models that I always took with me when I moved. And as you can see, it does not take well to travel. When I first built it, I remember I had the landing gear underneath it. Yeah, there's part of a door there. There's these big swatches back there that I think the gear was back there. I'm not going to try to find the gear. It might be floating around here on all of the spare parts somewhere, but obviously we've got a detachable engine that's not supposed to detach. But I mean, these things are pretty robust. There's not a whole lot to them. It's just the big plastic fuselage there that has a neat little wiggle to it. Look at that. You got a little R2. Look how I painted up the R2. Does R2 come out? Does R2 come out? Okay, he's not supposed to, but he's coming out now. Oh, look at that little R2. So cool. We'll just set that up there. What's in there? Oh, wait. What's that? Well, that's interesting. I'm guessing that might be part of the reason why it does this. Moves all around. I don't know. We're going to figure this out. This is going to be a fairly simple build, being part of the Hunter collection here. I'm not going to tear it all apart. I'm not going to repaint it. I'm just going to clean it up, repair it, maybe do some extra detailing just to make it look a little bit better. And then I'm going to hang it up. I'll hang it up because X-Wings should always be displayed with the wings out. Look at that, huh? How awesome is that? With the wings out, hanging up somewhere, ready to fight the Empire. Also, I have another X-Wing unbuilt and still in the box behind me that I will go just completely crazy on once I get around to building it, which who knows when that is going to happen. But yeah, this is the X-Wing. I'm not going to make it a big project. We're just going to clean it up. We'll do up a little detailing. Obviously, I'm going to have to make some new guns, but I mean, straight pieces of plastic. That should be pretty easy. We'll see if I can really muck it up. When I usually say when I say something's really easy, that's usually when I do the most damage, as you do. So I think without further ado here, let's get this project going. It's already mostly separated. Easy. coming apart without much effort. Oh, that nose might be a little sketch. At the very least, I can take that out. Well, I wasn't going to disassemble this, but I guess we are now, aren't we? There we go. I got just a little nub right there. I'll be able to fix that. We'll fix it in post. It's going slowly. You know you want to. It's not actually separating on the glue joint, but that's okay. It'll be a nice, smooth cut. This might be a good time to remind everybody in the beginning of this video, I'm not going to tear it all apart.
I'm not going to tear it all apart. Not going to tear it all apart.
Ah, there we go. That wasn't so bad. Try to do anything with that cockpit. I mean, there's nothing in there. There's no seat. There's no pilot or nothing. I mean, I just colored some gauges. Yeah, no, I'm not even going to worry about that. I'll put something over that. Since it's not going to be on the ground. Now, I mean, this is a part. This goes in here. Oh, yeah. Right there. Look at that. See? That is going to go right up in there. So, I mean, this one then is supposed to go over here, right? Up here. Well, we'll cross that bridge later. Right now, let's get this sucker cleaned. Anyone want to make any wagers on whether or not I break these guns off? Man, I said I wasn't going to tear this all apart, but I kind of want to get the glass off now. No, don't go too far. Don't go too far. Don't go too far. You know what? I can't. Or maybe I can. I don't want to crack it up. But I could stick a knife in there. No. I'll put a little bit of polish on that. Okay, wow. That glass looks a lot cleaner. Look at that. Look at that shine. That's painted in the back. There ain't nothing gonna... That's just paint on the back there. There's nothing gonna get that off. That back glass has been hit with paint, so... Well, I think that pretty much does it for the cleanup, which actually was a disassembly. Yeah, wasn't planning that. And now I kind of want to get the glass off because now I kind of want to do a little bit more paint work, but there's still a lot of work to do. There's a lot of custom work I got to do to get things fixed back up, so we'll see how it goes.